Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 14R and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, enter the settings, then find and select wallpaper and personalization. Scroll and select the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Let me choose, for example, this one. Just tap to preview, both home and lock screen. You can customize it if you want to, zoom it in, out. And if you like it this way, just mark apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Let me pick the third option. And now let's decide if we want to have carousel that I do currently have as my lock screen, but let me turn off so you can see how it looks on both. So as you can see here, we've got the wallpaper set on home screen and also on lock screen. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.